Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 24th, 2020. We are here to give you all an update price movement forecast for Polkadot. As always, the only thing that matters in the market, don't let no one tell you otherwise, is price. And understanding where the trap is going to take the value of the cryptocurrencies is the only thing that matters. So we're here to give you all that information before anyone else and to position ourselves right before the trap moves the market to where we expect it to go. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It's just that easy, just that simple. Also, share the video. Let everyone else know that there is a way to forecast price movement right before the market actually happens. Also, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, we are there at those locations delivering more content to you all on news, reactionary news that is important for you to all to see. So make sure you join us there too. So now, Polkadot. October the 12th was the last time we did our video for Polkadot. And I'm going to zoom in on this price chart just to show you how the trap performed against our forecast. So this is what he did. He didn't do anything. Literally, the market in Polkadot just held consolidational trading. We expected that, and you know why? Because we created this horizontal line. On our last video on October the 12th, we told you that that area needs to be maintained as support, and what do you know? The trap held that area for support. So now we need to answer the question, well, can the market still go higher? You're at a great place. So let's dive right on into it. So the first thing we could take out the way that we have already seen is that this area right here support right there around $3.90. That's great. That's positive to see and to know, especially for those who are looking for Polkadot to go higher in price, right? So let us take a look at the market real quick on a 3-day chart. Again, you don't see a lot going on into the market. We just been bouncing in between $4.50 for restriction to $3.90 for support. So the trap is complacent. He's not feeling eager to take the market higher, and he's not eager to take the market lower. That's not a negative thing. That's not a positive thing. It's just stable. That's it. 5-day chart in Polkadot. What has been going on into the market? Not a lot. But I will tell you one thing, that the weakness that came in on this particular 5-day price bar, it didn't have any effect on the market. None. Because if it did, we would have seen the market break this $3.90 area to the downside, and it didn't occur. So we're still indicating complacency, stableness, as well as higher price in store for this cryptocurrency. All right. The only problem that I'm going to tell you is this area right here, $4.50. That can literally put a stoppage on the movement higher for Polkadot. I'm telling you that right now. This is the only thing that is holding back the market trap from increasing the value of this market, $4.50. So we need to make a determination as to whether or not this market can break that price. There's a probability that it can't. I would say maybe 25-30% chance that this trap cannot break $4.50 to the upside. All right. 3 weeks chart, you guys can see here from these 2 3-week price bars that the market did endure some weakness. But currently, on this current 3-week price bar, we're not seeing so much weakness. I mean, the volume is not even close to what we endured the last 2 3-week price bars. So is the weakness gone? That's the question that you need to answer. Because if the weakness is gone, then there's nothing in the trap's way from increasing this value of the market. None. So what are we going to do? Do we need to keep this forecast ongoing into the market in Polkadot? What do you think? Tell us with your comment. We want to know what you think about this market in Polkadot. No, seriously. Tell us, what do you see into this market? we are showing you and speaking to you our expectations in this particular cryptocurrency. The guy that you see on the bottom left side of the screen, we're following exactly what he lays down to get an idea as to where the market is headed. So as I told you earlier in this video, I don't see a lot going on into the market that would substantiate a price movement to the downside. I don't. So what we're going to do on this video, we're going to continue to go on with our forecast. You know, from October the 12th to today's date, the complacency and the sideways trading confirms that this trap is still wanting to increase the value of this market. So there's not a lot for us to do. The only thing is that it's taking longer for this market to go higher in price. That's it. And that's one of the hardest things that anyone can do in the market, is time it. So we're going to continue to go on with the forecast. I just extended out our forecast time period just to show that we're going to anticipate this market continuing to try to go higher in price. I'm not sure where our TP was on the 12th of October for this particular crypto. It may have been around $4.60. We will continue to hold that there. In Polkadot, $4.60, maybe $4.50. Okay. So either way, we'll do $4.60, which will be about 5% profitability market move in this currency pair right here. Okay. But generally, I don't see a lot of weakness in the market. I don't. So we're going to continue to go on in this forecast in Polkadot with the expectation to see this trap increase the value of this market. And we're not going to adjust or even alter our market. Now, we would change it only under the premise that this market breaks $3.90. Okay. Now I want you to tell me, what do you see? You know, we're giving you ideas, our opinion as to what we're seeing into the market for Polkadot. Now it's your turn. I want you to tell me your prediction, your price movement forecast for this cryptocurrency by a comment in the comment section. I want you to tell me what direction we're headed, and then I want to tell me, where would you TP out the market? Where would you take the bag? Let me know with a comment in the comment section. Just that easy and just that simple. We have to get to the market price level before he takes it there in order for us to capitalize in this space. So leave us a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, we'll talk.